Now I'm just in Sheung. I've just gone past the Shun Centre, and I'm now in this little garden here on the waterfront. And rather slightly surprisingly, we've got a Plumeria rubra here, which doesn't seem to be upset about being by the waterfront in a windy place at all, for some peculiar reason. Now, we saw Plumeria rubra, some big old ones with absolutely no foliage on them at all, at Hong Kong Cemetery. Now, this is a much younger one. I suppose it's been in there 5 years, something like that. Right, so we can see the leaf. Now, it's got quite big, quite large leaves arranged in a sort of almost like the petals of a flower right at the end of the shoots there. And even more surprisingly, this one is actually flowering. I noticed a flower on it when I was walking over here. Let's have a look. Oh yes, here we go. Look. So we do. Now then, let me zoom in and get that, because it's just rather. It shouldn't actually be flowering at all this time. But it's. But anyway, I can't get close enough to show you the white flowers, and inside in the middle is yellow. So that's why it's called Gai Dan Fa, right? Because it looks like a chicken's egg. Anyway, the smell is wonderful for these flowers, right? Now, what you see here is, I mean, in other tropical places it grows much more grand than this. But in the summer, I mean, it's already retained its leaves through the winter. This one, so from now on, it's going to, it'll put out a whole lot more leaves, and then it has masses of flowers in the summer. So it's at the moment it has hardly any, but it will have lots of them, and the smell is really worth waiting for. Plumeria rubra.